This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Click the Apple menu at the top left and choose System Settings or System Preferences on older Mac OS. If prompted, authenticate with your admin password so changes apply system-wide. Once the settings window opens, note the organized layout, general categories on the left and specific options on the right. Make sure to resize the window if items are hidden. This immediate step gets you where settings live and prevents permission-based roadblocks later. Now focus on finding the exact preference you need. Use the left sidebar to jump between sections like Wi-Fi, display, or privacy. The layout groups related controls for a reason. If you want one item fast, type a keyword into the search field at the top. This filters results immediately. Once done, use contextual menus. For example, right-click a dock icon and choose options to reach app-specific settings without digging through menus. These methods speed up discovery and reduce trial and error. Finish by making your change and confirming it. Most panels save automatically, while some require clicking apply. Once done, test the behavior immediately, and if you don't see the result, restart your MacBook Air to ensure system services reload. If a feature still fails, check privacy and security for blocked permissions and toggle the relevant switch or reauthorize the app. Troubleshooting tip: if a setting remains stubborn, create a new admin user to determine whether the issue is account-specific or system-wide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.